So what is up guys, it's the Khalifa, and today I'll be showing you how to unlock this Upvote APK. You know, I used to get many questions on how to unlock this very application without password. So I will show you the right way to do it. So as you can see guys, let me enter the wrong password. You can see I won't be able to access it because they're typing wrong password, and some applications here are locked like YouTube. So they'll still tell me that it's wrong password, you can see. So I will show you the right way to get this to get through this application without the password. So what you have to do is simply to go to your settings. Once you're in the settings sections, you have to locate the very app. So you have to scroll down to security and locations. And once you are there in the security and location section, scroll down to somewhere like device admin apps. So you have to turn it off. But before then, let me show you something. Scroll down from the title bar, you can see the app vote is running in the background at the top. You can see app lock is running. So let's try to turn it off from here. Let's turn it off. Deactivate this device, and you can see, so it's deactivated for now, as you can see. So as you can see guys, let's get back. So for you to cut the whole stuff short, you know, you don't have to uninstall this application because it may cause some stuff there. So let's make sure to just deactivate it, and once it's deactivated like this, you have to go back to the apps sections. So go to apps and notification here. You have to click on apps management. Then you have to locate this very vote app there. So once this is completed, you have to scroll down to vote section. You can see vote. So click on it, and there are some settings you have to turn off here, like the phone the permission section here. You have to click on permission. You have to click on phone permission, turn it off. Make sure no permission is given here. Then go back. You have to scroll down to display over other apps, click on it. You have to turn it off as well, then go back. As you can see, before then you can see the app is no longer in the background, but it's still functional. So let's try to go get somewhere like usage access. So guys, you have turned off the display over our other apps section here. You have turned off the permission, and you have turned off modify system settings permission here. You have to go back. Then you have to scroll back again. Then you see somewhere like apps permission or special app access. You can see special app access. Click on it. Then you can scroll down to usage access here. The usage access, make sure to click on it. Then scroll down. You find the vote down there. You can see it's allowed on this very vote app. Click on the vote. Then turn this off. And once you are done, you have automatically broken this vote app from 0 to 0. So let's get back, and you have to clear everything in the background. Let's clear everything there. Let's get back to our YouTube app. You can see YouTube is free, it's open. You can actually access our YouTube app now. Let's get back to some other app. You can see YouTube is free here. You can actually access it without the lock stuff. So guys, that's how to actually break this vote APK. But I want to give you a takeaway. And what's the takeaway? Sometimes, you know, you can actually access this application and you still be locked. Maybe the settings of the app is locked. What you have to do is simply I'll just show you a simple settings that you have to break it. Once the settings is locked, like let's try to access the settings of this phone, and it will be locked. To freeze this very application here. So you have to go to your freezer. You have to go to app freeze. You can see app freeze here. Once you click on this app freeze, you have to freeze the vote app lock. You can see. So you have to add an application from here. Then you add the vote app lock to be frozen. Once you freeze it, then you can actually access the settings application without having to enter your password. And number two, if you could not freeze it, what you have to do is simply to use the accelerator widget here. You can actually bring this accelerator widget to your phone by holding down your screen. Then you have to go to widget down here. And once you click on widget, you have to search for accelerator widget. You see it there. And then once you hold on the accelerator widget, it will come on the screen. And once you come on the screen, you see something like this. You can see the accelerator widget there. So once you click on the accelerator widget, immediately at the end of the day, it will clear everything in the background. It will clear the app vote settings and the rest. So it has two ways. If you are not using the settings, you have to go to app freezer, freeze the app vote. Then you can access another application, or you can actually use this accelerator stuff to accelerate it and try to clear everything in the background. At the end of the day, you accept any application without actually having to enter your password. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up, and I would like to hear from you. Comment down in the comment section on how it works for you. And at the end of the day, if you need any video to be done in tech videos, just comment down and I'll make sure to try my hands on it. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video, guys.